So for today's project, we're going to install the door chain. Hold on. No, David. No. You need to
install the door chain.
That's right. We need to change. We need to put in a drill bit. So take that thing out. That's not a drill bit. It's a отвертка. Take it out. Okay, let's see. What are the choices? No, the other way.
See, I picked.
We need to pick something that will work with our anchors.
This one.
This one? Okay, good choice. Take it out. Okay, the drill bit is in. That's a good choice. Okay, we need to mark a spot for our hole. Here. Okay, let's do this. There. You see that hole? Yeah, so. Now put it in reverse. The button. There you go. And pull it out. Awesome, good job. Let's see our hole. Very nice and clean. Okay, let's see. Does our anchor fit? Doesn't go in the hole completely. We need a hammer. We might have to enlarge this hole. Okay. Nope, that doesn't work. Take it out. I'll use the other side of the hammer. Try to use the other side of the hammer. Oh, there you go. Awesome.
Nope.
Yeah. We need to make it bigger. Let's pick a bigger drill bit. Yeah, that's gonna be the next size up. There you go. So give it to me. We'll put it down here. Take out that drill bit. Yep. Put the new one in. And it's thunderstorming. Keep doing it until it's tight. Is it tight? No? Oh, there. Now, try it like that. No, try it. Hold on. Okay, it's in reverse, so we gotta switch it over. Okay. There you go. Okay, it's out. No, hold on, don't take it out yet. Let's check the anchor. See if the anchor fits. There's the anchor, like that. Put it in, see if it fits. How does that feel? I think the hole is still too small. We need to... No, I can feel it. It's not gonna work.
Can I feel? It's not gonna work.
Need a bigger size drill bit. Okay.
Ooh, this is the next one.
That's the next size up. Okay. Let's take out that.
Ouchie. So hot. Can I pretend it's hot?
Okay, pretend it's hot.
It's hot. Ouch. Feel.
Ouch, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it in.
It's not hot.
It's not, I know. Ooh, doesn't fit. Yeah, you need to make the bigger. No, the other way. Make it bigger so it fits, because it's big. More. Open up more. Open it up more. Okay, ready? Go. Ooh. Good job. Okay. Now, see, be careful. Yeah, and pull. Awesome. Up. Good job. Hey, you're the man. You're the man. Okay, let's try. Let's try that anchor.
I can still feel it.
Really? No, I think you might hammer it in. Let's try. Let's try the hammer. Oh, no. Nope, I was wrong. You did, yeah, extract. Ah, easy peasy.
Ouch.
Okay, we're gonna have to use the biggest one in the set. Is it all the way in? Hold on. Open it up. Yeah, it's, yep. This is what we use to open the coconuts. No, twist it the other way. Yep, there you go. And it's raining, it's pouring.
Ah!
Hold on. Let's see. Wow.